Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Now today's topic is your consumer relations. Okay, consumer relation, it will be including total four types. The first one is a B2C, second is your B2B, third is your C2C, and fourth one is your C2B. Now B2C means B2C means your business to customer. Okay, now business to customer, the best example I can say, actually it is a relationship between business person and a customer relationship entity will be shown. Okay, so the best example for your business to, that is your B2C, is your flipkart.com. And as you know that what happens, uh, you can see Nisha, Flipkart. See, over here you can see this is the best example of your B2C, that is a business to customer. Suppose if I, as a business person, if someone is, that means Samsung company is selling their phone on Flipkart. Company that Samsung is a business person. Okay. And we as a customer, where we are going to do, we are not going to Samsung company to buy the phone. What we will be doing, we are doing the online purchase. Now this online purchase can be considered as a B2C, and B2C means the full form of B2C is your business to customer. Another best example we can say that is Amazon.com. Okay, Flipkart.com, Amazon.com, or any online purchasing will be considered as a B2C. Now, next thing is your, the next is your B2B. B2B means what happens? B2B means your business to business business to business. Now business to business means, as you know that, if I'm making a pen, okay, I'm having a pen factory. After manufacturing these pens, I will be selling it to retailers. That means who am I right now? I am the manufacturer as well as the wholesaler. Okay, if I am selling this pen to retailer, it is a business relationship between business to business. That is your B2P. That means a wholesaler to retailer and retailer to wholesaler. This is the best example of your B2B. First relationship entity was your B2C, and the full form of B2C is your business to customer. And the second one is your B2B, that is your business to customer. And now third one is your C2C. C2C means your to customer. Customer to customer. Now the best example of your C2C relationship is that OLX. As you know that, I will be showing. Wait. Now this is your another best example of your C2C. C2C means, as I told you, customer to customer. In C2C, I am a customer. As a customer, if I want to sell my bike, okay, if I want to sell my bike, what I will be doing? According to e-commerce, I will be taking 4 photos, and after capturing these 4 photos, doing, I will be adding this photos to my this OLX account. Okay, so as a customer, I have done my work. Now, in case, suppose if the opponent party wants to buy my bike, okay, he is also customer. as a customer, he will be purchasing from me. I am also a customer. Why? Because I am going to sell it. Okay, because we too will be considered as a customer. The reason is that because OLX is not my application. Okay, OLX is not my application. OLX is a medium where I can sell my things. Okay, not only by any other commodities. If you want to sell through your online, you will be registering it in OLX. Okay, so I will be also customer, and the opponent, the purchasing person, will be also a customer. So this is the best example of your C2C, and the full form of C2C is your customer to customer. Okay, now the fourth one is your C2B. C2B means your customers to business. Customer to business, this can be divided into three parts. Okay, first one is your G2B. First one is your G2B, that is your government government to business. Government to business. Now government to business means what happens as a businessman. If I'm starting a business, I need to register my company in and this registration can be done in government's presence. Okay, then only the government will be giving a certificate. That means NOC certificate, as a no objection certificate, will be provided to me. And with this NOC, then only I will be able to do any kind of startups or any kind of company. This is the best example of your G2B, that is a government to business. Now next is your G2C. G2C means the government to customer. Government to customer means what happens? Uh, as you know that nowadays, recently, 10th and 12th results has been declared. Okay, this exams has been conducted by government, and the result is also given by government commodity. Now this government are declaring the result to customer. Customers, over here customers means the students. Okay, in case if students wants to know the result, they will be doing log into the government's website. There's suppose 10th standard or 12th standard result should be the SSC will be there. Okay, and students will be trying to log in, and the key, and they are going to insert their roll number to that particular website. After entering it, then only they will be getting the particular details. Okay, this is the best example of your G2C, that is a government to customer. Okay, suppose in case government wants to give any other updates means updates regarding any exam postponed, if they are postponing any exams or prepones or any other government exams details, this such things will be given to the website. And this is the best example of a G2C, that is your government to customer. Okay, now government to customer. Next is your G2G. G2G means your government to government. Government to government means both the parties will be government. That is the central government and the state government. Okay, main government and the that means RBI bank. RBI is also government, and normal government SBI is also a government bank. Okay, the transaction between or the relationship between this two government to government is known as your G2G. Again, I'm repeating, government relations entity means your four types are there. First one is your B2C. B2C means your business to customer. Second one is your B2B, that means business to business. Third one is your C2C, that is your customer to customer. And C2B means your C2B can be divided into three. And the first one is your G2B, that is your government to business. Second is your G2C, that is your government to customer. And third one is your G2G, that is your government to government. I hope you all understood. Thank you.